I remember back in the day.
When I look up at the stars, no matter where you are, you're always in my heart. You're always in my heart. When the walls are closing in, you're the sun upon my skin. You're always where I am. You're always where I am. Wild child, living in the moment, world in my arms, too young to know it. Oh, you made me feel so alive. Had a good thing going, but we couldn't make it. Even if I could, I wouldn't change it. When I look back, I just smile. We were young and wild. When I was feeling black and blue, I could always count on you. You always made me new. Always made me new. And even though it was the end, if you ever need a friend, I'll be coming back again. I'll be coming back again. Wild child, nothing that can stop us. Walking in the cut, fogging up the windows. Oh, you made me feel so alive. This ain't nothing good's gonna last forever. We were pedal to the metal and always together. When I look back, I just smile. I lay there silent in the sand and listen while you whisper to another lonely setting sun whose heart is always distant. Memories won't be the death of me. As long as I could feel you, as long as I could feel